5 home remedies for carpet stains. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 DIY home remedies for carpet stains that you can start using today. So without further ado, if you're ready, let's go. If you're wondering how to clean carpet stains or how to clean carpets in general, you're not alone. Whether it's a red wine stain, dirt tracked in from the backyard, or a coffee stain, everyone's carpet takes a beating once in a while. Now, this question of how to clean a carpet is a difficult one to answer. The trick is to know exactly what type of stain you're dealing with. Now, before I get into the details, here are a few quick tips. When dealing with carpet stains, you want to act fast. The longer you wait, the harder the stain will be to remove. Blot, don't rub. Rubbing will spread particles and embed them deeper in your carpet's fiber. Now, with those out of the way, here are 5 home remedies for carpet stains that will do wonders for you. Number 1, white vinegar. White vinegar is the superhero of stain removal and is one of the best natural carpet cleaners. Here are a few different white vinegar formulas that you can use for carpet stain removal. For light carpet stains, rub a mixture of 2 tablespoons of salt dissolved in a half a cup of white vinegar. Let the solution dry and then vacuum. Now for larger and a little bit more difficult stains, add 2 tablespoons of borax to the mixture and follow the same instructions as before. Now for tough ground-in dirt and other stains, make a paste with 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then rub it on the stain with a dry cloth. Then let it sit for 10 to 24 hours and then vacuum it up. Number 2, ammonia. Ammonia is a powerful stain remover but also gives off an extremely strong odor. Please note, if you're going to use ammonia to get carpet stains out, open up some windows and ensure that your area is well ventilated. Also, never mix ammonia with other cleaning products and never mix it with bleach because the fumes can be potentially deadly. Now, if you're going to use ammonia, here's how you can make homemade ammonia carpet cleaner. First, mix together 1 cup of clear ammonia in a half gallon of warm water. After mixing together, apply the solution to the carpet stain. Then, let it sit for approximately 15 to 30 minutes. After letting it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, take a light cloth or sponge and gently blot the area until the stain is gone. If the stain is not completely gone, you can repeat this method if needed. Number 3, baking soda. Of all the homemade carpet cleaners, baking soda is your best choice to quickly clean up wet stains like vomit or pet urine from your carpet. It will also soak up the fluids and deodorize your carpet at the same time. For this method, you want to blot the area with a light cloth first to soak up any excess moisture. Then sprinkle and pour a little bit of baking soda over the stain and pat gently with a paper towel. Make sure you let the baking soda sit on the stain for 15 to 20 minutes to absorb the mixture. After about an hour, you can vacuum up the baking soda. And you can also follow up with store-bought carpet cleaner if the stain is still there. Number 4, DIY dish detergent. Dishwashing liquid, whether it's DIY liquid or store-bought, works wonders on various carpet stains. It's hands down one of the best and easiest solutions to make for carpet stains. Dishwashing liquid will help remove chocolate stains, grease, oil stains, and much, much more. For this remedy, mix 1 tablespoon of liquid dishwashing soap with 2 cups of cold water. After mixing, you want to dip a white cloth into the mixture. Now you want it white because you don't want any dye from the color to come out. Then gently blot the stain until it's gone. Afterward, make sure you blot it with some cold water to soak up any remaining dishwashing liquid. And number 5, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is actually a mild bleach, which means it does wonders when it comes to removing stains from your carpet. Although it's usually safe to use on carpet, be sure to perform a spot test first, especially with specialty carpets made from natural fibers like silk. Hydrogen peroxide is one of the better options for old ground-in stains of nearly every variety, and it's one of the easiest methods to use. For this method, mix a teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide with a bit of cream of tartar or a dab of non-gel toothpaste. Then, blot the paste on the stain with a soft cloth until the stain is gone. After blotting, make sure to follow up with a damp cloth to ensure any residue from the mixture is gone. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 5 home remedies for carpet stains. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to click the link in the description, head on over to our blog, and you can get your free A to Z complete home remedy guide with over 2,000 plus homemade and natural remedies. It's 100% free, and I know you're going to get a lot of value out of it. So if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us keep the lights on. And as always, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and check that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am uploading 3 videos a week now. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care, and God bless.